sick, mad lunatic called Donald Trump. He has weaponized the evil people like Shehu. And then I ask, is America the country of Trump? Is Trump from America? You see, when people don't talk to you people, you think you have the stage, you can talk. Is Trump an American? So if Ilahoma is not an American, Trump from Germany and Ireland is an American, what is his claim to America? What is Trump's claim to America? You open your ignorant mouth, you speak English. What English are you speaking? Is Trump an American? Is Hillary Clinton an American? All of them are immigrants. And some immigrants are claiming they want to shout more than other immigrants. Hey, we're American, we're American. Who made you an American? Even if I go to America today, I will be equally an American than like Trump. If there is anybody who infiltrated, there are the people who came after us that have infiltrated. We're not talking about religion, but this preaching, these things we are talking about. If there is any people that infiltrated, they are the people who came after us. The Muslims were in Igbo land, they were in Kanu, they were in Enugu, they were in Ibagwa. The best and the most functional Islamic institution in Nigeria is the Islamic Center at Afikpo, founded by Sheikh Wagwe. It's an Igbo man from Afikpo. It was not founded today. It was founded before the war. You call a person fake Muslim. Muslim genocide has been going on in Igbo land. I don't want to talk about that Nnamdi Kanu, and they kept on dragging this thing. Nnamdi Kanu ordered Muslims to be killed. That was one of the parting of the way between me and him. I'm a Muslim. I've never pretended about it. I'm not sissy about being a Muslim. And nobody can bribe me. When Muslims are wrong, I tell them to their face. And I don't give a damn about it. Muslim genocide has started since when Nnamdi Kanu came into the picture. And now I have received several voice messages calling on Igbos, empowered by this sick, mad lunatic called Donald Trump. He has weaponized the evil people like Shehu to kill Muslims. Muslims were in Yoruba land before Christianity came. And he says Christians have been infiltrated. Aren Latosa, was he a Christian? Aren Latosa, was he a Christian? Muslims were there before Osman Danfodio brought the jihad in 1808. From 14th century, Muslims had been there. That's why Muslims in Yoruba land are called the Malians, because they received Islam from Mali. And that's why Muslims are called Imole. Either you are ignorant, or you have no sense, or you are pretending to be ignorant, or you are paid to do what you are doing. Who caused the First World War? Hitler is a Muslim. The war that killed as many people, more than any war in the history of this world, is a Muslim. The Red Brigade is a Muslim army. The Lord's Army in Uganda, is it a Muslim army? The rebels who taking people's hand, committing all their atrocities. Sanko in Sierra Leone, in Liberia. Which of them was a Muslim? Which of them was a Muslim? No, tell us which of them was a Muslim. How many times were crusade led and people massacred? The Inquisition in Europe that killed millions and millions of people, Christians, that their faith was not up to the standard of the faith prescribed by the Catholic Church. The Inquisition, was it carried out by Muslims? Either you are ignorant and you don't know what you ought to say. We are all here. People are applauding that a foreign country should bomb Nigeria. They bomb civilian area. It is convenient for them to try to. Nigeria is doing image laundering for America for committing genocide against Nigerians. On channel, we saw it on our right. Let them show us the terrorist camp they bombed. Till today, they've not shown us any terrorist camp that they bombed. They've not shown us any terrorists they killed. The Nigerian government was doing its own effort. Others were doing their own effort with Nigeria until this meddlesomeness of this sick lunatic. The meddlesomeness of this lunatic. Some of us just want to keep quiet. There is no need. He's coming. I am here. Who is he? When you start the war, you are looking for Chenwu, you will run away. This war you are calling for, when you start it, you will run away. You will run and seek asylum somewhere and left. Which of the country that CIA did not meddle in, overthrow the government, perpetually set Muslim country on fire, perpetually set Muslim country on fire? An Indian national was the guy who carried out the terrorist action in Australia. They said he was a Pakistani. An Indian guy married to a Christian Italian. That Muslims are going to European countries. They are going to Western countries. Muslims are going to Western countries. Well, was it Muslims that sat down at Berlin conference to tinker with Africa? You came to tinker with my country, destroy my country, destroy our values. I come to your country. You now say, oh, why did you come to my country? After you have stolen the resources from my country. After you have sucked my country dry. And then I ask, is America the country of Trump? Is Trump from America? You see, when people don't talk to you people, you think you have the stage, you can talk. Is Trump an American? So if Ilahoma is not an American, Trump from Germany and Ireland is an American, what is his claim to America? What is Trump's claim to America? You open your ignorant mouth, you speak English. What English are you speaking? Is Trump an American? Is Hillary Clinton an American? All of them are immigrants. And some immigrants are claiming they want to shout more than other immigrants. Hey, we're American, we're American. Who made you an American? Even if I go to America today, I will be equally an American than like Trump. The time the people of this world are afraid of these demons, it's over. You demons are over. When the people of this world are afraid of you demons are over. Technology is not you are preserved alone. Other countries have had technological knowledge now. So you are not afraid. You can't fight Iran alone. You have to go and beg. 6-day war. We are not hearing it again. 6-day war. Israel. We are not hearing it again. You are going to America. America, come and China. We need to come and China. Let us go and fight Iran. One country standing alone against all of you. One country. No help from anybody. The world ought to praise the spirit of the Iranians. The Iranians that are deceived, are deluded, are deceived to go on the street. When the Iranians, other Iranians will go out against them, oh, it's a dictatorship. It's not democracy, it's human right. It's a woman right to destabilize their country. But it's not the woman, it's not the right of the other Iranians to defend the sovereignty of their country to come out against them. It's not about shouting. If there is any genocide in Nigeria, it's Muslim genocide that is going on in Igbo land. It's not going on in River State. It's not going on in Edo State. It's not going on in the South Side. But there is an ongoing Muslim genocide And Muslims were on this land before all other people, Christians came to this land. That is the truth of the matter. We are here. All the courts of the king were manned by Muslim scribes. They were the people transcribing. If I bring out document, ancient Arabic document, sword, and everything from archives, from within what our fathers left for us, you'll be shocked. You come here to infiltrate. That is to tell you who was the first Yoruba Christian and who was the first Yoruba Muslim. Yorubas are infiltrated, but you pride, you are not infiltrated. You are the one who will be talking about infiltration to us. You are the one who will be talking about infiltration. You are not ashamed of the history of what you have chosen. The history of the destruction of Jericho, the history of the destruction of the Amalekites, the history of the destruction of the Philistines, the history of the First World War, the history of the Second World War. You are not ashamed. The history of King Leopold of Belgium in Congo, destruction of the first nation in America, destruction of the aborigines, aborigines in Australia, the genocide against the people of Namibia, the genocide in Eritrea, the genocide in Somalia, the genocide in Ethiopia. You are not ashamed of it. The genocide in Libya. You open your mouth to be talking rot. We Muslims are commanded to defend ourselves when we're attacked. And we're not ashamed of it. We don't fight senseless wars like you people. The genocide, the ongoing genocide in Gaza, you are not ashamed. You come to talk, you think speaking, you can shout down all other people. You can make people to shy away. You can make people to run into their shells. I am not looking for American visa. I am not looking for Canadian visa. I am not looking for any visa to go to any European country. I even have European visa. I'm not looking for it. I have. So if that is why people, I can't go to America, so I cannot talk. I cannot stand up as a Muslim to defend my faith, to defend who I am. I'm a Muslim. I am an Ijoma. I am an Ijo king. I have never plotted or planned to kill a Christian. I have never plotted or planned to kill an Akaso worshiper. In fact, the chief priest of Akaso worship was appointed by me. The primate of the Calabar National Church was appointed by me. I have never killed. I have never had any wish against a Christian, a Muslim, or any other religious person, whether a Jew. But I cannot see it and see the truth and cover it. There's ongoing Muslim genocide in Igbo land. And we must stand up and condemn it. That she's a fake Muslim. Abdulaziz Ude, one of the richest Igbo men of all time, he's not a Muslim. He's a fake Muslim. Abdulaziz Ude, one of the oldest, richest Igbo men of all time. You've never heard of him because you are being paid to, as a content creator, to spread falsehood, lies, and hate. We were not paid. We even pay people. We are not paid. You are talking of execution. You are talking of the gas chambers in the United States of America. Alcatraz. What will you call other people for now that you put picture of somebody being beheaded? Oh, what of the gas chambers? Electric shock in America. Look at these people. Look at this one. You think everybody is ignorant? Everybody will not know the truth. If there's any society that is cruel, more people have been killed on the streets of the United States than anywhere in the world. More people have been killed on the streets of the United States than anywhere in the world. Because these people are evil and satanic. Are evil and satanic. So you cannot replicate your 6-day war again. Eh? complicate their things. They were bam. Netanyahu has gone to America. Go and meet the mad evil. We are going to do. You are going. What are you waiting for? You are going to do. You are going to do. What are you waiting for? The world has changed. Technological knowledge has changed. Scientific knowledge has changed. You don't have the monopoly any longer. That's why it is explaining you. For 3 years, you are, or before was very high, you are committing the most gruesome genocide. Making Hitler a saint. Making Hitler a saint. Making Leopold a saint. All of you. The same now. Can a leopard give back to a ram? A leopard cannot give back to a white ram. He must give back to. So the children of Hitler must act like Hitler. The children of the killers of Amalekites must be like their father. The children of the people who destroyed Jericho and left only a prophet must always be like their fathers. Our sisters' voice, and I cry out, is not. I can give you voice note of several people that this thing had happened. So, Igbo Muslims, be courageous. We will be courageous and stand. It's not. You are is that one will not solve anything. If you bring the war, you will run. They will bring the war. They took it to Lebanon. They harm people to fight. They will run. They will take anywhere they go to. They will run. At the end of the day, the world had known the truth, and that's why they are afraid. The world had known the truth. The world had known the sickness, the evil of the Zionists. It have known the sickness and the evil of America, and the world is no longer ready to be fooled. So they are recruiting cheap people like you who can be bought with money to come out without knowing. Go and read about the crusade. Go and read about the Inquisition. Go and read about how people were impaled in Europe, how the witch huts, how witches were killed, how even the Jews were killed and expelled from all over Europe. Go and read about it. Go and read about Congo. Go and read about Namibia. When you read about it and you still remain your own, like what you are doing now, then God will not forgive you. Your part in hell will be the worst part of hell.